Hello, my loves. Welcome to the land of equations. Just as a reminder, if we have any like terms, we want to start by doing them first. So over here, I notice -12 and 6. I'm going to subtract them because they're different. 12 minus 6 is 6. Bring it down. I'm going to add, need to watch that I'm not making any fancy math. I'm going to bring that down on both sides. 58 minus 6 is 64. These cancel, leaves us with 8x. X is equal to 8. And if I go back in and substitute it, it's going to equal 58. Over here, 20 minus 8, because they're different signs, is 12. Headed down here. Subtract 12 from both sides. Don't forget to borrow. We end up with 28 is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 7. Coming down here, 15 minus 6 leaves us with 9. Bring everything down that's unused. Subtract 9 on both sides. We'll end up with 5x equals 30. X is equal to 6. Over here, 12 minus 9 is 3, but it's positive. Bigger number gets to boss us around. Subtract on both sides. 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 7. Did we go sideways? Yes, we did. Okay. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 is positive. Bigger number is always bossy. Going to subtract that 6 from both sides. We have 6x is equal to 36. Stuck together like glue, the only option is to divide them. X is equal to 6. And then over here, 10 minus 7 is 3, but make it negative. Add it to both sides. 9x is equal to 81. X is equal to 9. If you have any questions on this first page, as always, don't hesitate to bring it with you to class. Headed down here, I have a -1. Bring everything else down. I'm going to add that 1 to both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by 7. X is equal to 8. Over here, 12 minus 4 is 8. Whoop. Subtract 8 from both sides. 8x is equal to 64. X is equal to 8. Coming down. 20 minus 5 is 15, but make it negative. Really watch your signs when you're doing that. We want to make sure that the math is mathing. 8, 9, 10. We're going to divide both sides by 10. X is equal to 10. Over here, 6 and 10 and 6 is 4. We're going to add that 4 to both sides. And then we're going to divide it. X is equal to 7. Over here we have 2. We're going to add that 2 to both sides. 32 divides by 4. Nice and neat. Leaves us X is equal to 8. Last one over here, this is 10, but make it positive. Subtract it from both sides. Divide it. X is equal to 7. As always, any questions? Bring them with you. All right, over here we have 9, but make it negative. We're going to add that 9 to both sides. We're going to divide by 9. X is equal to 8. Remember, you can come back in here at any point and substitute it in and just make sure that the math works. So let's say I wanted to bring this in and I wanted to check it. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 minus 18 is 54, plus 9 is 63. It works. These are all self-checking, self-correcting. All you have to do is plug it in and solve it. This leaves us with a positive 5. We're going to subtract it from both sides. And then 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Over here we have 4. And then we're going to subtract that 4 from both sides. We have 48 is equal to 8x. And 6 times 8 is 48, so that's what we're missing. This is 7, and it's positive. We're going to subtract. 7x is equal to 49. X is equal to 7. This gives us 3. We're going to subtract that from both sides. We're going to divide it. 8 times 4 is 32. One more down here. 15 minus 6 is 9. And then we're going to subtract it, which leaves us with 21. X is equal to 7. That brings us to the end of page 3. As always, questions, bring them with you. All right, this is going to leave us with 12, but make it positive, which we're going to subtract from both sides. Leaves us with 42. And 6 times 7 gives us 42. This is negative 1. We add that to both sides. We have 9x is equal to 72. And 8 times 9 is 72. Over here is 2. Take that off of both sides. And divide. X is equal to 8. Over here, this is going to give us 13, but make it negative. And then we're going to add that to both sides. 10x is equal to 7, 8, 9 divided by 10. X is equal to 9. Coming down here, 5x minus 1 equals 29. My brain's trying to add it early. 5x is equal to 30. Both sides. X is equal to 6. And then the last one, 7x plus 5 minus 5 would be a 6. There we go. 8 times 7 is 56. And that brings us to the end of page 4. All right, last one. This is the one where some of us just got a little bit stuck when we did it in the classroom, which is absolutely positively fine. Make sure you are doing both sides of a combination, okay? Minus 8 leaves us with 8x is equal to 48. Oh my goodness, my pen doesn't want to write there. That's strange. All right, did I freeze it? Are you angry? I think you are. All right, let's see. Don't fail us on the last page, Apple Pencil. All right, can you let us know? There we go. I think I went too fast for it. X is equal to 6. Over here is 60. 15 minus 9 is 6. You're gonna notice even I slow down on these because I don't want to make a simple mistake and have to record it again. This is 9. Over here, 35 would be 40 to 10. Minus that 10 on both sides. is 30 divided by 5. X is equal to 6. Over here would be 51. Opposites, so negative 5. 7x. Add 5 to both sides. 7x is equal to 56. X is equal to 8. Down here we have 91, negative 8, and 9x. We're going to add 8 to both sides. Uh-oh, is this one not equal? Oh no, we'll be 99. I was doing 100 in my head. We're good. X is equal to 11. Thought I gave you one with a decimal. I thought I was rude. That would be a 10. 3, 4, 5 is equal to 10 plus 4x. Minus 10, minus 10. X is equal to 10. All right, lovies, we did it. We got to the end. If you have questions, I want to hear from you. Otherwise, see you in class.